T means trip.
Okay.
Dia juga sama dengan software.
Tidur enable.
Effort, high set effort.
Enable yang T.
Yeah, this one I only 2 minutes starts. I didn't put trip, only enable.
Enable.
Undercurrent.
Eh.
Undercurrent T. Undercurrent. Undercurrent kan? Undercurrent salah. T.
2 minutes starts.
Original.
What am I doing? Oh, this is seat.
Function satu casting atau kena tetri. Sama nak bagi alam atau tetri.
Oh, the other trip.
Undercurrent. Trip.
Oh tu setting.
Save and exit.
Safe and exit.
You're talking about number of staff.
Yeah. The current.
Can you reset the thermal capacity?
Yes.
You can
For testing purpose, I can reset the thermal capacity.
Disable.
Karena bila awak dia trip lah, kena thermal overload. So lepas tu awak tak boleh start motor lagi kan. So bila awak buat macam testing lah. So awak kena tunggu dia countdown baru boleh start. Leceh lah. So kena reset.
Macam mana nak buat? Boleh buat kat situ.
Nanti bila saya buat saya boleh show lah. Dia sini setting,
Okay, tak apa.
system setting. Ya. Dalam unit setting, reset CC.
Dalam relay setting.
Tapi tak boleh reset dari sini. Kena reset dari sini.
Kadang kalau awak set salah kan, dia thermal capacity saling sampai 100 apa cepat lah, dia nak reset balik. Jika tidak kena tunggu lah.
Kita pun emergency nak start lah.
Memang kena.
Ya, thermal overload.
Oh, bila inject lah.
First we test the 6 times. Because 6 times usually
18 second
6
lah.
times
So full load current, 6 kali kena full load current, eject itu current. So dia tripping pada itu waktu set 18 kan.
6 is 18 seconds lah.
I don't know what she said.
Just like I said 18 seconds.
18 lah. Okay.
Ini you setting as per kita punya requirement ke? Ni setting yang you setting sekarang.
Tak ada kan? Tak ada motor data sheet kan?
Apa yang kita ada.
Ada.
Tapi setting tak sama lah.
Tak sama.
Apa yang kita apply.
Baik, ya tahu lah, kita apply lah sekarang ni. Tak, yang ni yang betul punya lah ni. Yang sekarang.
Setting tak betul lah.
Tak betul-betul testing saja.
Ya, testing
Sekarang tu
aja.
testing lah, testing fokus.
Same function lah,
Same function.
Yeah.
but different setting lah.
Okay.
Okay, saya test 6 times.
Okay.
6 times means
Ni setting.
15 and secondary. 6 times full load.
6 times 5, 30 mm.
30 amps, but I set half of the city. Full load current half of the city. Because I'm afraid inject too high.
Oh, okay.
15 amps.
City itu 5/5 lah.
So,
The secondary lah.
Inject within half of it.
Don't know. The city radio is, let's say, is I don't know what she said.
Still inject?
Secondary injection, Malisan, right?
yes,
Right.
yes. So 6 times.
So you need to
Sebab saya
calculate lah.
set,
I don't know what is the full load
CT
M.
ratio 200 lah.
Full load M. Then change to second.
But it's still 5
But
minutes
it's so
injection, right? 5 minutes means 1 time.
Yes, correct. 60 M lah. Times 6 times lah. Boleh 30 M lah. So not enough mah. You cannot do 30 M.
2.5.
You play around with the setting lah. supposed to set to eject 30 amp. Now you want to eject 15 amp only.
So you put your CT.
So your the pickup, I mean the I don't know if you use the base current or FLA like she said.
Thermal trip.
Dia counting daripada apa kan? Okay.
I run again.
Okay. So you macam yang reset P6 kan?
Ya. So sekarang tak boleh start
Ini so dia naik pada tu.
sebab display pro, dashboard. A lot of faces. Thermal capacity 106%.
Okay.
100%.
Yeah.
Tapi you have to remember for unbalance ataupun single facing, dia akan the protection will only start to function selepas
Ya,
sudah
motor
start
sudah start.
motor. So dia akan sebab motor start and then berlaku single facing dia akan register for trip.
Saya keyboard.
Untuk kita buat calibration tu. So tadi beritahu yang kita tak perlu start. Boleh tak?
Tak
Kita
faham.
lesen dulu.
Sekali lagi.
Okey, contoh. Kita nak calibrate unbalance. So let's say kita kena bagi dia punya starting dulu and then running and then baru kita simulate unbalance.
Yes,
Baru
yes.
dia akan trigger kan.
Yeah.
So let's say kalau kita nak buat function tu tapi kita nak disable dia punya starting tu. Boleh tak?
Oh, you nak disable starting ah? I don't think so sebab dia mesti naik sampai 1.2 right, Rishan? 1.2 amps, 1.2 times full current in order for it to register as a start.
Yeah.
So
For
we-
this relay is 1.2 times. You have to look at the manual lah. So this relay is 1.2 times. So bila sebab bila you start the current will go
1.5,
up. 1.5. Okay, for this relay is 1.5.
Okay.
So bila dia sudah naik 1.5 is considered you sudah start.
Okay.
And then lepas itu, then it will start the unbalance dan single facing relay.
So memang betul.
Yeah.
It goes up, it doesn't need to come down.
No need,
No need.
because it's registered as a start already. Dia banyak feature, dia pun ada undercurrent juga, dia pun ada undercurrent sama. Undercurrent, when you're starting, your current is low, right? It will not register as undercurrent fault. Tapi bila you sudah start, and then the relay register, you sudah start, and then the current reaches undercurrent value, dia akan operate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, undercurrent. Oh.
Tapi untuk if you have a very big motor, and it's important you protect the motor correctly, yang penting is you get the data from the manufacturer. Sebab you akan match the curve ya. You make sure your thermal overload itu is below the damage curve. And then you make sure the lock motor current is below the curve, dia ada dua portion ya. So you have to make sure it's below the lock motor portion. Sometimes they don't give you the curve, sometimes they give you the actual data in words, in figures lah. Yeah. Especially for those important motors. Yeah. Also depend on who you buy from also. I noticed from EBB, they give you nice. Siemens pun nice. WEG kadang-kadang. And then apa lagi? Apa lagi? Siapa lagi? Oh, you buy from China Intic. What is this value? Tak ada. I said, what do you don't have? All the other models lagi. Tapi if it's a small motor, okay lah. Tak apa lah. But if it's an important motor, you need that lah.
Okay.